am Roshane D. Barrios from BECIT 2B, and today I will demonstrate the design of my Add New User module. This module is very important because it allows administrators to register new users into the system. Although GUI design lang ni siya and not yet functional, it gives us a clear idea of how the registration form would look in a real application. Sa ato ang GUI design, I used Java AWT to create a simple, clean, and user-friendly interface. So, let me walk you through the different components and the layout one by one. As you can see at the very top, naa tayo blue title bar with the text Add New User. Gidesign nako siya nga na ay strong contrasting color para dali ra ma-notice sa user kung unsay purpose sa form. The font used is larger and bold to make it stand out. This title panel sets the tone of the form, giving it a more professional look and at the same time guiding the user immediately on what this form is all about. Instead, instead of blending with the background, the blue header visually separates the title from the rest of the content. Next is atong tan-awon ang form panel diri sa center. I arrange it using a grid bag layout, which is very useful kay it allows me to align labels on the left side and input fields on the right side neatly. Each row corresponds to one piece of user information. Naatay mga fields diri ang username field. This will serve as the unique user ID, something that identifies the user in the system. Next is the password field. This uses masking characters para dili makita ang actual password while typing, which is important even in a prototype. Next is the email field, intended for communication purposes and also for account recovery. Next is the role drop-down. This provides options such as user and department, allowing the admin to assign the proper role to each account. Next is the first name and the last name fields. These capture personal information which is standard in most registration form. Next, and the last is the status drop-down with choices active and inactive, giving admins control over whether an account is usable or disabled. Notice nga evenly spaced ang components ug walay overlap. The alignment makes the form easier to read and fill out. Gihatagan nako og fixed size ang panel para consistent ang layout and dili siya maguba kung ma-resize ang window. Sa ubos, makita nato ang duha ka buttons, add ug ang cancel. The add button is colored green, symbolizing success, confirmation, or moving forward. And the cancel button is colored red, which usually represents stopping or rejecting an action. Both buttons are designed with distinct colors and bold fonts so users won't get confused. Even if GUI only siya, the colors already guide the user on what actions are safe or final. I also align the buttons to the right side of the form. This is intentional because in many standard applications, action buttons are usually placed at the bottom right, making it more familiar and intuitive for users. For the overall choices, I focused mainly on clarity, balance, and usability. Ang tanan input fields are consistent in size, which avoids a messy look. Colors are kept neutral except for the action buttons and the header, which makes them stand out. Spacing between rows is also enough para dili magdikit-dikit ang components so the form feels clean and readable. One challenge I faced was how to properly align the fields in the center of the window while still keeping the form responsive. AWT is not as flexible as modern frameworks, so I had to experiment with panels and layouts. So I used wrapper panel with fixed dimensions, which allowed me to lock the form in place while still keeping it neatly arranged.